Hey friends, if you wish to remove the home group icon which is suddenly appearing on your Windows desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to the key H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, desktop and namespace. Now under namespace there are a lot of keys which actually mention the icons which are available for the desktop. Whether they appear on it or not is a different thing. And one of these icons start with B4FB3. B4FB, this one. Okay, now I don't have the home group icon, but if I had it, let me create it for you. So if I, let's say, had the home group icon here, then I would have to simply delete it. Right click on it and select delete and then remove it. And once you remove it from the registry editor window, you will also have to restart the computer for the effect to take place. Right click, shut down or sign out and then select restart. Once you restart the computer, the home group icon will be gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.